Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add credit cards on Capital One account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and start our video. So for that matter, the very first thing that you have to make sure is that you can choose to do it from your Capital One mobile banking app or the official website. Doesn't matter. First of all, go ahead, access Capital One, can be on your app or the website, and simply sign in. Once you have done so, right here in the website, you will be able to find this credit cards option on top right. All you have to do is select it, and now you can see types of credit cards right over there. So if you have to simply add one from the Capital One issued cards, all you have to do is to go to down below and tap on this credit card overview in this blue box. Okay, so upon doing it, you can see we have this particular interface. All we have to do is simply gonna go ahead, scroll a bit, and then we're gonna find the show me cards that are popular, etc. You have categories of over here, people. You can see you have a cards type. All you have to do is if you want to list that particular card or add to your Capital One account, tap on this apply now option. That will be below every credit card available and that Capital One gives you service for. Once you're over here, all you have to do is enter your legal first name, your MI number, legal last name, your date of birth, etc. All of the information as it is, simply go ahead, enter it correctly, and tap on this continue. After doing that, you will be able to list your card for it to be added to your account. After 2-3 business days, it will be added to your mobile banking app as well. All you have to do is open up and check out the listing. If you wanted to add another credit card that is not issued by Capital One, unfortunately you cannot do so. But as long as you want to add the credit cards issued by Capital One, you will be able to. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.